So with the shift to work from home over the last year or so, people are discovering obviously the many benefits of doing that, working from home, losing the commute, being more flexible, being there for your family, the list goes on. However, there are still some flip sides to that. One of the biggest, of course, being having that workspace in your home, meaning that it's harder to switch off and get that work-home distinction and balance, of course. So there are many solutions, and what we are seeing more and more with our clients is them looking into the feasibility of a garden office. And therefore, one of the big questions we're getting asked is, can this be put through the business? So in this video and this blog, we are going to explore exactly that question. So while the answer to can you put your garden office through your business is a yes, it's, as always with these things, not quite as straightforward as a simple yes. Whilst your company can pay for the office, not all of the costs are allowable as tax relief, especially if it's got a dual purpose, like there's some personal use to it as well. So if it's, for example, a garden room that you also use as an office, or a garden pub, which I've seen a lot of people doing over the last year, or even if you use it as like a guest room for the summer months or something. If there's any personal use, then again it's not going to be fully tax deductible, or can all fully go through your business. So focusing on a garden office that's purely a garden office, the actual cost of the structure, so the build, the materials, they can all go through the company and it will sit as an asset on your balance sheet. So it's something your company will own. However, those costs are not going to be allowable for corporation tax relief. So it means it won't reduce your profit and you won't get any corporation tax relief on it. However, it is still the cheapest way of doing it, as your business will be paying it, not you personally. Therefore, you don't need to take the money out of your business and pay tax on that personally to pay for the structure. And this is where it makes completely no sense at all for those of us with logical brains. But if you're VAT registered, you can actually claim the VAT back from the structure. So yeah, it's you did hear that right. Doesn't make sense, but hey ho, let's just go with what HMRC say. So that's the structure if it's all business use. If it's personal use, then you'll need to work out a percentage and split that, and you'd have to pay for some of it personally and some of it through the business. And then the business will own a percentage of the structure. So that's the structure, but then you've also got furnishing and running costs. So all running costs, and again, I'm assuming here that it's purely a business office, no other personal use. So running costs like light, heat, power, water, if it's on the separate mains to the house, your telephone, internet, furniture, decoration, repairs, and so on are all allowable as usual. So the business expenses, you get corporation tax relief on them, and you'll also be able to claim the VAT back on them if you're VAT registered. Which is great. So yep, you can put whatever you want in there. Obviously it needs to have a legitimate business purpose. You can't go and put something fancy and amazing in there just because business is paying for it. If it's not got a business purpose, then it shouldn't be in there or paid for by the business. So just make sure you've got all the receipts in the name of the company. If the invoice is made out to the company, put them on there. Make sure you've got the full VAT breakdown on your receipts so you can claim all the VAT back. And yeah, there you have it. So we believe and are seeing that garden offices are really good solutions to give you that flexibility to work or run your business from home, but it also then gives you that separation between your business, the business day, and your work, your personal life, your home life. You're not going to be bringing your work home with you as much. So I hope this helps. If you do want to explore this further, understand what it means for you and your personal situation, or just in general want to explore working with us, we'd love to have a chat. So please do get in touch. Thank you.